Hi, I am Justin. Welcome to Sakahan Ecotourism Village, where nature grows and people connect. Today, we invite you to explore an agricultural village designed as a modified sustainable farm space. Join us as we walk through its natural features, ecotourism components, sustainability practices, educational activities, principles of ecotourism, and its management plan.
Hello everyone, I'm Marilu. I will be discussing the site profile. Let's proceed to the type of ecotourism environment. Sakahan is an agricultural village or modified sustainable farm space, a destination rooted in farming, nature, and community. Geographic location and natural features. Our site is located in serene agricultural landscape surrounded by rolling fields, organic gardens, fresh water ponds, and pockets of native trees. The area enjoys refreshing natural breeze and generous sunlight, making it ideal for sustainable farming and nature-based experiences. Ecosystem description, flora, fauna, attractions. Sakahan features a thriving agro-ecosystem. It includes organic vegetables, fruit-bearing trees, herbal gardens, native plants and that support butterflies, bees, and other pollinators. Visitors may also encounter small farms, animals, freshwater fish, and local birds. Natural attractions include eco-trails, vegetable patches, bamboo huts, a community compost station, and an irrigation-fed mini lagoon.
Hi, I'm Everlyn. I'm going to discuss ecotourism components, nature-based and sustainability. The first one, nature-based component. Sakahan highlights beautiful natural attractions such as organic vegetable gardens, fruit orchards and herbal patches, agro-eco walking trails, a freshwater lagoon and fish pond, butterfly and pollinator zone. These areas encourage visitors to explore, appreciate, and interact gently with nature. The second one is sustainability component. Sakahan ensures sustainability through practices like organic farming methods free from harmful chemicals, protecting both soil and health. The second one is rainwater harvesting and natural irrigation system, ensuring efficient and eco-friendly water use. The third, waste segregation and on-site composting, turning biodegradable waste into natural fertilizer. Fourth, use of renewable materials such as bamboo and coconut lumber, reducing environmental impact. And the last one is providing income opportunities for local farmers and artisans, strengthening community livelihood. These practices minimize environmental damage while supporting rural communities.
Hello everyone, I'm Merly. I will be discussing educational component. Sakahan also focuses on environmental learning and cultural appreciation through farm-to-table workshops. Guests learn how crops are grown, harvested, and prepared into meals. Guided eco-tours on sustainable agriculture. Visitors receive insight into organic farming, ecosystem balance, and responsible land use. Demonstration on composting and plant care. Hands-on sessions include composting, seedling propagation, and the use of organic fertilizers. Cultural storytelling led by local farmers. Stories from the local provide visitors with a deeper understanding of agricultural traditions and rural life.
Hello, I'm Medina, and I will be discussing principles of ecotourism and action. Sakahan applies the key principles of ecotourism. First, minimizing environmental impact. Through chemical-free farming, water conservation, natural materials, and eco-waste system. Second, providing local employment. Farmers, youth, artisans, and guides are involved in operation, workshop, and community activities. Third, educating visitors about conservation. Guests learn about organic agriculture, biodiversity, protection, and sustainable resource use. Fourth, encouraging responsible travel. Visitors follow eco rules, respect nature, and participate in low-impact activities. Fifth, supporting protected areas management. A portion of revenue is used for maintaining gardens, improving water system, and protecting native plant species.
Hello, I'm Ruby Grace and I will be discussing the stakeholders and management plan. The first one is key stakeholders. It includes local community, farmers, families, community groups, local government unit or LGU, NGOs for sustainability and training, tourists and visitors, and government agencies like DENR, DOT, and DA. The second one is proposed management plan protection. It includes implementing organic farming only, waste segregation and composting, protecting water sources and native plants, and limiting access to sensitive areas. The third one is monitoring. It includes monthly checks of soil, water, and crops, visitor tracking to avoid overcrowding, regular inspection of trails and facilities. The fourth one is sustainability. It includes training locals as guide and educators, using natural, eco-friendly construction materials, reinvesting revenue into conservation and community programs, and maintaining partnerships with LGUs, NGOs, and agencies.
Sakahan Ecotourism Village is more than just a destination. It's a living testament to the heart and hands of our local farmers. Every trail, every vegetable plot, and every harvested crop tells a story of dedication, resilience, and generations of agricultural wisdom. By choosing to visit and support Sakahan, travelers are not just experiencing nature, they are becoming part of a movement that uplifts the very people who nurture our land. Here, ecotourism becomes a lifeline. It opens doors for farmers to diversify their income, share their knowledge, and gain recognition for the essential role they play in food security and heritage preservation. Each guided tour, workshop, and farm-to-table activity empowers our farmers, turning their everyday work into a celebrated cultural experience. Sakahan stands as a reminder that sustainable tourism is most powerful when it honors who care for the earth. It transforms humble farms into vibrant learning spaces, strengthens community bonds, and ensures that agriculture remains alive and thriving for future generations. As we close this journey, may we carry with us with deeper appreciation not only for nature's beauty, but also for the farmers who make that beauty possible. At Sakahan Ecotourism Village, we don't just grow crops, we grow opportunities, we grow connections, and we grow a future where people and the planet flourish together.
Ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan natin isulong